9, 10, 11, 12. After which you graduate. Now, actually, you can make this arm in this manner. Underhand this arm, left, overhand this arm, left. 12 of this, 12 of this. Left, 12 of this, 12 of this, right. In other words, put it. Now let us just study it well. Let us not master put it. Because the more you grab, the more you lose. So, this is the position. Because the attack there, you aside. This is the left parade. Now, in this manner, it is my right that makes the disarm. Now, if I use my right for parrying, it is my left that makes the disarm. So right and left, disarm. Now let us start with the left, disarm. Or we just make the disarm left and right. Okay? Okay, this is for the left, this is right. Okay? This is like this. Okay, let's do it again. You parry with your right, this arm, then boom. You try. Okay.
Thank you.
Lift this arm. Okay. It's very strong. His balance still perfect. So if you break also his balance, eh? You break his balance, eh? You break his balance by pulling him, see? Then you make this amount. You can hardly disarm him because he's a bit strong. The moment he moves, you follow that motion. Okay, right.
Thank you.
Don't quit your force against the force. No. You follow the force. I follow the force, then shift my arm. Twist this way. Okay. You got it? John, but at the same time you follow the force. This follow the force, then you shift here. Yeah. You follow the force, eh? You follow the force, don't block it this way. You follow the force, then shift it here. Then look it. Slowly. Follow the force, then shift here. This is okay. From here. My arms underneath his arm, catching the handle of his dagger. Okay? Twist it this way, see? Actually, by twisting this, you can throw him. By twisting. Okay, you try.
Thank you.
You can make this arm overhand or underhand. Okay? Number 4 is uppercut. Now, you follow this force. You follow this force. Jump. Okay? A bit slowly. You follow this force. So your hand will be in this manner. Then you reverse movement there. You change the position of your body. So from there, hand. Okay. You follow the force, then twist it this way. Okay. Take your parry. You parry. You parry. You. Do slowly. You parry, see? You catch the handle, then twist this way. Again. You parry, you follow the force there, you follow the force. Go that way. Okay, you try. Can you right to make this arm? You want your left or this arm? You follow the force. So left and right, huh? Okay, let's see the right. So this is the hand. Okay. You follow the force, then roll it. You right force, then right this arm. You can do the left this arm. Follow the force. You can. Do not just let your arm do the movement. No power. No power, just do it this way. Body does not move. The body, the mind, head, the hand, they move all together. Oh. See? Move with my body. I move on my body. Okay. I'll try.
Thank you.
Your left. You try your left here. And slowly. So, my leg is close to the handle. It's my left hand. Start this arm. It's very close to the handle of the jacket. Follow this forward and twist it this way. And make a big circle. Okay? If I want my right to make the disarm, it is my right hand which is close to the handle. So, but always follow the force. Always follow the force. Right. Always follow the force. Okay. So you do this. Number 9, just make it. Remember, now keep this in mind. When you make the disarm, especially if your opponent is very strong, don't make this arm in a small circle. It will not work. If this is very strong, make this kind of big circle. You can always disarm it, no matter how strong it is. Now, with a 9, now we come to number 10. The right face. Okay? Same story. Same story. See? This arm left. If your left arm is very close to the handle, this is the left hand that makes this arm. If your right hand is very close to the handle, it is your right hand that makes this arm. But remember that when you move with your body. With your body. Okay? With your body. With your body. Okay? You can disarm him this way, that way. From his arm this way, you will give hey, this way, that way. Away. Now you are inside. And then disarm him that way, this way, that way. Okay? Okay. Now you got this arm in this way. You already this arm, okay? Just push him down. Or you can make him, you can apply a throw this way, and you will stand up, and throw him this way, stand up, and do it this way, stand up, do it